Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to delete or manage your GCash transaction history in 2025. So step 1, open your GCash app and log in. Step 2, tap on your activity from the home screen and to view your recent transactions. Step 3, as of 2025, GCash does not allow users to manually delete individual transactions. However, you can clear the app data history or hide it temporarily from the UI. Step 4. To clear the app cache, this is for Android only, you can go to your phone settings, and then apps, and then select GCash, and then go to storage, and then clear cache. This removes temporary data but not the account logs. Step 5. For account level privacy, you can go to GCash, and then settings, and then privacy and security, and then hide balance or set up lock features. Step 6. If you really need to delete your transaction history, your only option is to close your GCash account entirely and create a new one. But this is a permanent and not a recommended step unless it is really necessary. And now you understand how to manage your GCash history and what options you have in 2025. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.